Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to use Widgetsmith app on your Mac. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So currently Widgetsmith is not available for Mac as a native Mac OS app. However, you can still add similar widgets to your Mac desktop using built-in Mac's features. So there are the various options to use in Mac iOS widget. So there are the best alternatives, I will say. So first one is Mac Sonoma, and later versions allow widgets on desktop. So to add them, you just need to click on the right click on your Mac desktop and select the edit widgets and browse through available widgets like clock, calendar, photos, weather, etc. Click on the widget to add it on a desktop and drag and place it wherever you like. So this is the best alternative to do. And there is one more, which is sync iPhone widget to Mac. So if you have Mac OS Sonoma or later, you can sync widget from your iPhone. Like to do so, you just need to go to your system settings or desktop and dock, scroll down to widget, enable use, and after that you just need to enable use iPhone widgets. Now when you edit widgets on Mac, you will see your iPhone widget including Widgetsmith. So it will automatically edit on both of your Mac and iOS phones. So this is also one of the best alternative, I must say. There is one more option, which is option 3, use third-party app. Like for more customization, if you want to customize widgets like Widgetsmith, you can use Widgets. So lets you add costumes to find your Mac. And there's one more, that which is Widget. This is also another powerful widget maker, similar like Widgetsmith, which is available in Mac. And that's how you can just use the best alternatives by your best research, which is available on your device. So that's how you can just use it and go to your customization section and customize your widgets in your Mac. So there is one more information, that is while Widgetsmith is not available for Mac, you can use Mac OS widgets for sync iPhone widgets to get a similar experience. So let me know if you need more help in our comment section below. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.